Dear St. Andrews School students, greeting of the day. This is Dhanbir Singh, your English teacher. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study English grammar, dear students. This is a continuation of your videos. This is fourth chapter from your English grammar book. The name of chapter is gender. In this chapter, we shall discuss types of genders along with some examples. Very simple chapter. Listen carefully, dear students. There are four kind of genders. What are gender? Basically, genders tell us whether a noun belongs to male or female or either or neither of two cases. Means whether it is male, and second whether it is female, or whether it is both male and female, or neither it is male female. Or let's discuss one by one, then we find the things easier. Okay, now first one is masculine gender, dear students. What are masculine genders? Masculine genders are noun formed by denote males, and the nouns which are referred to males are known as masculine, as name suggests masculine. So let's see the example. Mr. Kapoor is my uncle. Sanjay is son. So here all refers to male, and the lion is the king of jungle. So these are refers to male, and the second one is feminine. If you see the given examples like uncle, son, and lions in above, they are male. So the nouns which are refers to male are known as feminine, and the second sorry masculine, and the second one is feminine. What are feminine, dear students? Feminines are the nouns that denote to females. Okay, the nouns which are referred to females, for females, like Mrs. Kapoor is my aunt. In the previous example, Mr. Kapoor is my uncle, it's referred to masculine, and if next example, if you see downwards, feminine, Mrs. Kapoor is my aunt, so it's go under feminine gender. Okay, feminine gender refers to female. Female means girls. Okay, uh, and the Sarah is her daughter, and loin will become loiness in masculine, feminine, sorry. Okay, in line is feminine and lioness is feminine. So here we read masculine, the male refers to masculine, and feminine, female refers to feminine. And third one is common duration. There are some nouns which are common for both male as well as for females. For example, teacher. Your teacher may be male also as well as female also. Okay, and baby may be girl also and boy also. So both, it refers to both, whether it is boy or girl, we can call common gender. As the name suggests, common means both male and female. And doctor is taking care of patient, and patient may be, dear students, patient may be girl also and boy also, and whereas doctor also, here doctor is also common gender and parent is also common gender. Doctor may be male also and female also. Okay, we can call both them doctor. So to discuss three, man refers to male, female refers to feminine, and both common refers to common, male and female. And fourth one is neutral genders. Neutral gender basically refers to non-living things, dear students. If we see the example of table, table is very high end non-living thing. Table can't be male nor be female. Okay, in the same manner, now you are like you are watching this video on mobile, so it can be referred to neutral gender. And if you are having pencil in your hand, you can see the example of pencil. You are writing with the help of pencil, pen, all these are refers to neutral genders. If you are sitting under the fan, okay, the fan is neutral gender. You can see the example around us, the table on which you are writing, it is also neutral. So there are some rules also. While adding e double s, we can change masculine to feminine. Like loin, lion, loin is masculine, means it's male. And if we add e double s in suffix, prefix means before and suffix means after loin, if we add e double s, it will become feminine. So this is the first rule. If we add sorry e double s, it will become feminine. And there are some different word also. like masculine, feminine, bachelor, feminine, maid, gender, goose, and brother will become sister. And there are some compound noun also, like grandmother will become grandfather in masculine, and feminine will become grandmother. So dear students, these are very simple. Let's recall once again types of noun on gender and its type. Genders are basically belongs to male, female, or neither for male or female. Or let's discuss. There are four types of genders are there. Male, the male one refers to masculine, female one refers to feminine, and those who are common, man as well as women, male and female both refers denotes with common noun. And the fourth one is your neutral gender. Neutral genders are basically referred to non-living thing, dear students. So read this once again. This is very simple. Watch this video twice, or read this twice, and read this example. And after doing that, you complete this given exercise at your back page number 21. Complete this exercise, tick the correct answer in your book only, and fill in the blanks in your notebook. And then against write you have to M for masculine, F for feminine, N for neutral, and C for common. So here you can do it very simple. You have to do this work in your grammar notebook. Then move to page number 22, that is match the following. Simple. You can I earlier told the rule is if we add e double s, it will become masculine. Masculine will change into feminine. Okay, so you can easily find here from actor will become actress, es is there. Okay, in the same manner uncle will become aunt, and someone also are, if we add I and heroine, hero will become heroine. So match this column and do it in your match this column very well and do it in your ground notebook. Then change the gender to the following noun. This also you have to do in your classroom notebook. And then sixth one, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Fill in the blanks with correct words. You have to complete this in your notebook. The examples are the hint are given at the right hand side. You can easily use your sense and complete this work. If you are facing any problem, you can call me and ask me. Thank you dear student for watching this video. Share this video, watch this video, and if you are facing any problem, you will call me and send this work in WhatsApp group. Thank you dear students.